Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to fix the problem when games not visible in Google Play Store on your HONOR X6a. First step, I will show you what I have on my menu. We try to install something games, maybe Teamfight Tactics, and we search it, but we can't download it, we can't do anything with it. To fix this problem, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we choose our photo on the right corner, and now we navigate to the settings, where we have family option. And after that we go to the parental controls. You can see we have PEGI 3 right now. To download Teamfight Tactics, we must change it to PEGI 16 or all PEGI. To do that, we click there. Now we must enter connect pin to parental control, and now we can change it. To do that, we click on PEGI 16, understood, and save. Now we go back to our Teamfight Tactics game. And now we can install it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.